Craving a homemade pizza but don't have the time to deal with messy dough or wait hours for it to rise? I've got you covered. Hey friends, welcome back to Cooking with Candace. Today we are combining two absolute kitchen favorites, the magic of the air fryer and the comfort of homemade bread. We're making air fryer bread pizzas. It is crispy, it is incredibly cheesy, and the best part, it takes less than 15 minutes from start to finish. Using a thick slice of your own homemade bread gives this pizza a gourmet rustic crunch that totally beats delivery. Whether you need a quick weeknight dinner, an after-school snack, or a midnight craving fix, this is going to be your new go-to recipe. Let's get cooking. Okay, so for this recipe, you'll need 2 medium to thick slices of homemade bread. Store-bought also works. Tomato sauce, we are using garlic and herb. Pizza seasoning from Trader Joe's. Cheese, we are using a 3-cheese Italian thick cut cheese. You can pick whatever cheese you would like though. Red bell pepper, diced, red onion diced, Thai green chilies, and crushed red pepper flakes. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take my tomato sauce and I'm gonna stir in some of this Trader Joe's pizza seasoning. I'm just going with my gut here. And this helps provide a deeper, savory flavor to the sauce, just to add more flavor to it. And that's totally optional. And then now we can assemble the pizza. Okay, so now I'm going to assemble. So I'll put my tomato sauce down first. And I love this homemade bread. It always turns out amazing. I'm going to make a separate video where I share that recipe. And it's way better for you than store-bought bread. Okay, make sure it's evenly spread out. And you can use whatever tomato sauce you would like. I just like this garlic and herb because it has more flavor. Now I'm gonna take my thick cut cheese, like it extra cheesy. And the toppings are totally up to you. This is just how I like to have it. Now I'm gonna take some of my chopped red onion, spread it evenly. And my bell pepper. And then just a few sliced green chilies. I like it spicy. And now she's ready to go in the air fryer. Just preheat my air fryer just for a few minutes. Okay, now that our air fryer has been preheated, I'm going to carefully place my bread in here, bread pizza. And I'm going to cook it at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll start with 5 minutes. I think that should be good. Okay, so we checked it after 4 minutes and it looks perfect. Golden brown, cheese is melted. It looks delicious. All right, so this is our second one. We're gonna do the same process for 4 minutes. All right, so now I'm going to try it. First, I'm gonna sprinkle some crushed red pepper flakes. Take a bite. Wow, that crunch is unbelievable. The air fryer toasted the bottom of that homemade bread perfectly, while the cheese melted into a gooey masterpiece on top. And just like that, in under 15 minutes, you have a gourmet tasting pizza with almost zero cleanup. This is the ultimate life hack for leftover bread, and honestly, you might never go back to regular pizza crust again. If you enjoyed this quick recipe, please give the video a big thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious, time-saving recipes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!